The most common custom decoration process that is used by Deco Network users but is not listed in the software as a decoration process is wide format printing. Now, wide format printing is really a great way to use the software as it allows the customers to drag and drop any full color order artwork right onto the design tool and essentially create a banner, canvas wrap, sticker, wall cling, or whatnot, really in just seconds, and then essentially allow you to output the finished artwork file, and all you have to do is take it to the printer and push print. When it comes to creating wide format products, there are many different variables that must be accounted for, as each different product type, or essentially material type, like vinyl banners versus canvas, account for different variables such as the different media, finishing, and so forth. And all of these can change the prices and whatnot. So we've put together the ultimate wide format product guide, which includes blank product samples that you can upload into your Deco network, and then also even sales images for your customers to then select through, choose what they want to decorate, and then upload their artwork and make a purchase. Not only that, your wide format products are very easy to create product templates. For example, vinyl banners are great for graduation banners. So all you have to do is create the pre-formatted template where an image, text, and so forth is in the right spot, make it personalizable, and allow your customers to go on there and really get the most out of your website. If you have any questions on how to add wide format products and all of our other Deco Network tools that we offer, please do not hesitate contacting us. Thank you.